Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at Crypto Gains. Bitcoin tested 60,000 once again and was able to break above it. Two main factors are driving the most recent rally. First of all, we have Coinbase, which is disclosing Q1 results, and it's going to be listed on the Nasdaq stock exchange on April 14th. This is the first major cryptocurrency exchange going for public listing and is a very significant indicator of the maturity and confidence in the overall crypto market. In addition to that, Morgan Stanley, one of the leading investment banks in the US, has unveiled plans for a dozen new funds which will all enable investors to put their money in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in one way or another, which of course is going to facilitate institutional adoption and provide strong investor base for cryptocurrencies. In addition to that, something very interesting is happening in Ethereum as well. In terms of the Coinbase net flows, we can see that typically they tend to be oscillating around zero with approximately equal amounts of withdrawals and deposits on Coinbase wallets. However, on the March 25th, we witnessed this massive net outflow of over 400,000 Ethereum, which indicates most likely, this is just speculative, but most likely that a large institutional investor bought some Ethereum and then withdrew the coins into cold storage, giving us once again more confidence into the rally in major cryptocurrencies. So let's take a look at the charts and see how we can trade that. Here we have the 1 hour chart of Bitcoin versus Tether. What we had was the formation of a consolidating triangle, very typical breakout, 59,300, which was resistance, turned it into a support area, so over 59,300, buying Bitcoin with target 60,000 and 60,400. Conversely, below 59,300, we could be seeing declines on the short side with targets at 58,600 and 58,200. We can see that the MACD is in positive territory and the relative strength index is above 50 as well, giving us more confidence into this bullish move higher up. Next, we're looking at Ethereum versus Tether. So for Ethereum, 1975 is the critical level. It acts as support. Over that level, there are opportunities to initiate long positions with target at 220, 2020 and 2040 afterwards, which is near the all-time high. Conversely, if we break below that support around 1975, further declines on the short side are possible with targets at 1947 and then 1900 on the short side. The next idea for today is in Cardano. Cardano also formed a consolidating triangle similar to Bitcoin, which was broken approximately around the level of 1.21, which is acting as our entry point. So buying Cardano from 1.21 upwards with a target at 1.26 and a fairly conservative stop loss at 1.18. However, keep in mind, if you're entering into a position substantially above your initial entry point, which is 1.21, you need to adjust your stop loss accordingly so that you still get a favorable risk-to-reward ratio. But for Cardano, the take profit target around the beginning or the top end of that consolidating triangle, that's 1.26. If that level is clear, then the next target is 1.34. Next, we're moving to Litecoin, which, as you can see, also comes with a buy signal on the... So for Litecoin, we have very long-term resistance area around the 206 level. Ideally, I'm waiting for a break above 206 to initiate a long position with target at 220 and stop loss at 200. Moreover, if we zoom out a little bit and take a look at the daily chart, we can see that the relative strength index climbed above 50, confirmed with a bullish crossover of the MACD line, also confirmed by the blue line crossing above the zero signaling line, giving us more confidence into that move higher. So very strong idea in Litecoin. And finally, we have an idea in Bitcoin Cash. Once again, looking at the 4 hour chart, we have bullish crossover of the MACD indicator confirmed with relative strength index above 50. So the idea here is to enter as long as we're above 550 with a target at 600, which is the nearest resistance level, and stop loss at 530 for for a very favorable risk to reward ratio. Thank you very much for joining me today. Keep learning with the video education section in the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection. And of course, remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Thanks for joining me today and have a good weekend. Bye bye.